Hi guys, it's your guy here, ALBRT. Today I want to show you an interesting video that will help anyone who wants to earn online, okay? I want to show you how to earn through affiliate marketing. Most people think affiliate marketing is dead. Some people think it doesn't work. Yes, it won't work if you do it the wrong way, okay? But it really works, believe me. So let me show you a simple way to do it, a way that will work for everyone, okay? First of all, you need something like a blog. You can do a free blog on Blogger. I have a video that I'll link into the description that will help you, okay, with creating a blog for free on Blogger. Okay, you can click on the link below and then you'll go straight to that video. And once you have a place to write your content, say maybe it's a blog, or if you don't have a blog, you can come to Medium, get started. This is a place that will allow you to have a mini blog. And the good thing about Medium is it ranks high on Google. So if you write a good topic that people are searching on a daily basis, then it means your content will rank high on Google. It will actually rank higher than if you have a website, because this website is it's a big website. Okay, it's a big website, so it ranks high on Google and it has a lot of daily visitors. Okay, let's check the stats of Medium. You see it has about 161 million monthly visitors, so you can see that many people will find your content. Okay, and it's free to host your blogs here. You just create an account, get started, create an account, sign in, and then you'll be able to write blogs. And the most important thing is to use tags. Okay, is to use tags. You must use tags that align with your keyword. Okay, I'm not gonna go into that. You can do some search about it, but it's a very good platform. It ranks high on Google. Another good platform is Quora. Quora will allow you to have a space. And talking about a space, we are talking about like it's like a mini blog. Okay, it's like your own place for hosting blogs. Okay, and the good thing about Quora is it also ranks high on Google. It's a very big platform. Let's search the statistics. It has 552 million monthly visitors. So guys, this is amazing. Okay, this is amazing. You can see that you'll have many people seeing your content every month. Okay, so once you have a place to host your blogs, you have to come and sign up as an affiliate. If you go to most websites and go to the footer at the bottom, you'll find affiliates. Okay, I'll show you something. You can also come to websites like ShareSale. These are networks like affiliate marketing networks. They have tons of companies inside that uh, that are looking for affiliates. You just come, sign up, and then you just come and create an account, sign in, and then you'll find any company that you want to affiliate. Okay, I'm not gonna go deep into it, but if you don't have a website that ends with .com, it's gonna be very hard for you to get accepted on ShareSale. So if you need to use ShareSale, you have to have a website that ends with .com. Okay, because those are websites that are easy to rank on Google, and they have strong, like, they're strong. You can't compare a .co.za with a .com. Okay, .com will always rank high if it has good content, of course. Okay, it has great authority. You can come to ClickBank. ClickBank is also a network of affiliates where you'll find a lot of companies looking to be promoted. Okay, you can come to Warrior Plus. You can come to Impact. All these are affiliate networks. Okay, companies come to this website looking for affiliates, and affiliates come to this website looking for companies. So you can promote any company on these platforms. Okay, I'm not gonna log into my dashboard and stuff, but you can come to this website. Again, there are websites like I told you. If you go to any website like this one, and then you come to the footer at the bottom, most of the websites do have this program. All you have to do is to sign up and then start affiliating once you get accepted. And if you can see, let me show you something. Okay, let me show you something here, and then you just join. the affiliate programs. Okay, this is the very same page I've been showing you. Okay, so you see you can earn from this website. You will earn if somebody buys the subscription. Here's the cost. You earn if somebody signs up for, say, maybe for a free trial. And this is so easy. Most people will sign up for a free trial. Okay, and then that means you'll be getting this amount. Let's just try to convert it. Let's convert it and see. You see, this is how much you'll be earning if you are in South Africa, just when somebody does what? Signs up for free. Okay, for a free trial. And believe me, many people will sign up for a free trial, and if the service is good for them, they will end up buying the subscription. Mostly companies do that. Okay, so if you play your cards right, you will win when it comes to affiliate marketing. So once you are accepted, you'll have your own link. Okay, once you have your own link, what you'll have to do is you have to come to your mini blog and write a detailed article that solves someone's problem. Okay, and then include your links in that article. Okay, say maybe somebody has a website, it's looking for, and he's looking for some solution. Maybe the person wants to rank high, the person wants more sales. You can come and take your affiliate program from this website and write on how you can get more, like more people to visit your site, how you can rank high, how you can do this and this and that. Okay, and include those affiliate links in your mini blogs. Okay, so when somebody comes reading, they will come to your links, and they will either sign up for free or purchase the subscription if what you've written really meets their needs. Okay, and the other reason I chose this website called Quora is because it's good. This is a question and answer platform where people come to get answers to their questions. For instance, if you check here, I've been writing some things. If you come to, I'm under notifications, and there's this person has requested an answer from me, and the question is, how can I start making money with my smartphone? And if you check, this is an answer I wrote the previous day to someone. Okay, it's in the form of a mini blog. It says how to make money online with your mobile device. And if you check, I've written some answers here. Okay, I've showed the person that they can come to this website and earn. They can come here and earn. And where can earn, if you read here, you'll see that what I've written answers this question. Okay, so what I do is I'll just come and copy this, copy it, and if you can check here, I wrote click here if you need more, like more information or more tips. Many people will come and click here. Okay, they will come and click here, and when they click here, they come to my blogs, and when they come to my blogs, it's either my website or whatever. That means I'll be getting free traffic from this website that has many people on it. Okay, that means firstly you can benefit from this by getting audiences. Okay, you can get traffic to your website. This is one of the best websites you can use. You can also use something like LinkedIn. They also allow you to have mini blogs, and I'll leave these links in the descriptions. Okay, so what I can do is I just come here, I come to this person's question. Okay, how can I start making money with my smartphone? And then I just come to answer. I paste everything I've written. You see, this is how you do this thing. You can see, okay, and yes, and then I just do this. I just do this, I just do this, and I do this. Already, this includes my affiliate links. Okay, this includes my affiliate links. So if the person comes to this website through me, they will do some work, but I will earn from their work. Okay, if they come here and register for a free trial, I will earn from the free trial, just as I've shown you from this one. So this is what you can do, but I strongly recommend going to ShareSale. If you don't have a website, I think it will be best if you get one, because this affiliate network has many companies that will pay you for a free sign up. Actually, a free sign up, they'll pay you up to, they pay a lot for a free sign up. So you can just try to create an account on ShareSale, and if you have a .com website, they will evaluate it and accept you. Okay, and that's how you will earn, because if you look at some of my affiliate links, you'll find that they are from ShareSale. And then I just, you see, I've added the answer here, and then I just say post. So everyone who will be following this question will come to my link, they'll come to this answer, and they will do it. They'll go through these websites, because this is not like sharing something or spamming people on social media. These people need answers. Okay, in most cases, if say maybe it's people who want to buy something and they come asking you, say maybe which is the best web hosting company in maybe in America, you can just come and create a short blog, or it can be details as you want. Just make sure it adds value to the person's life. Okay, because if it adds value in response to their question or meets their needs, it means they will go and sign up through your link. These people are looking for solutions. Unlike somebody on Facebook, you just post, you spam people. That is wrong. Come and answer questions here, okay? And you'll get a lot of people, and many people will come and buy through you. Because if you search here, any question, how to bake a cake, okay, you see, here are tons of questions. People are looking for answers every day. If you come and check how to lose weight, okay, wait, how to lose, okay, let me just, oh, there's M here. What did I write? Oh heavens. How to lose, okay, how to lose weight. Yes, let's just search for it. You see, there are tons of questions, and what you can do, you can, if you come to say ClickBank, there are many products that solve weight problems. Okay, you just sign up. Now I can log in because already I have an account with all these networks. Okay, or I'm accepted on all these networks. Okay, so just come and find a product that solves this person's needs. Come and write a blog and include your links on it. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy. But one thing you should note is Quora won't accept your links. They won't accept your links on your first day. So try posting something for maybe a week or two without links, so that you can gain trust from the owners of this website. Okay, because if you don't do that, if you start by posting something like what I just posted, something like this, okay, oh sorry, if you just come in, post something like what I posted with links, they will ban you. What you have to do is you have to like gain their trust. Once you gain their trust, you can post links as much as you want. Okay, so this is what will help you. Affiliate marketing is not dead. Just make sure you provide value. Okay, make sure you provide value. That's the most important things, because I've seen many websites that, okay, let me show you something. Most people think that to monetize a website you need Google AdSense, whatever. This is not the only way to monetize. There are websites like Uber Suggest. Okay, I want to show you something very fascinating. If you come to Uber Suggest, this is a website by Neil Patel. Okay, where did Neil take me? Okay, I don't want to log in actually. I just want to find some blogs. Okay, you see, if you come 18 ways to improve your organic traffic, these websites mostly they have affiliate links embedded into them. Okay, they don't have any Google AdSense account advert. They don't even have adverts. You won't find an advert here, but what you'll find is affiliate links. Okay, and believe me, these websites are making millions every month. Okay, because people come here, get solutions, and go and buy those solutions or sign up for those solutions through this person's websites. Okay, they just include affiliate links in most of their articles, and that's how it works. This is one of the best ways. Okay, if you provide value, believe me, you will win. Okay, provide value, answer someone's question, and then you will win. And what you can do with most websites is, once they accept you to become their affiliate, that means you are officially their partner. Okay, you're officially their partner, so you can communicate to your affiliate manager, because most big websites will give you an affiliate manager. Talk to them, ask them for discounts for your clients. This makes it simple. Say maybe the product or the service is priced, say $100, and you ask for maybe a discount. They can give you 5% discount, so the person will benefit by using your link, because they'll get that 5% discount, unlike when they go straight. Okay, firstly, you'll answer their questions. Secondly, they'll have a huge discount or a benefit uh, that they will benefit from when they purchase through you. I've done that before, and most websites have given me up to 7%, 10% discount for my followers, and you can also include that benefit when you are writing your articles. Okay, so this is how you do it, and I think this is the best way. Okay, these websites have no adverts, but guys, they are making a lot through affiliate links. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. There are many websites that are benefiting from such services. Okay, so this is it. If you have any question, kindly post it in the comment section below, and if you need any links, I will include them below. Okay,